Today's food will be wonderful GuguGaga. Wake up for breakfast.
Oh my God, what is this? It stinks so much! GuguGaga! Why didn't you flush the toilet? You get out of my house!
The cake looks so delicious. I haven't eaten anything all day. I'm so hungry. So hungry, so cold.
Here, please eat. It's a gift from me.
Thank you for the cake.
You're welcome. Where is your home? I will take you back. Why hasn't GuguGaga come back yet? Is it because I was too harsh with her? I have to go find her. GuguGaga, where are you? GuguGaga, thank goodness I found you. I'm sorry for being harsh with you. Thank you, Sonic, for helping GuguGaga. It's nothing, Tom. Thank you for watching the video. Please follow and like our YouTube channel.